Oh, hey. I am making breakfast. I just woke up 30 minutes ago. And I'm making some starch solution recipes. And I will be making French toast. This is not the French toast, I'm just showing you the bread. I'll be showing you 3 recipes that have everything to do with the starch solution. And it's straight out of the book. So I'm excited. And I will be making my favorite recipes today. And yeah, okay. And so I love this diet because they don't take out the carbs out of your diet. You know, the starch solution embodies, it loves carbs. So that's something that I gravitate to because all the diets in the world, most of them eliminate carbs or decrease carbs tremendously. And carbs are good for you. If you add oil to anything, it turns into something else. So, love this. Love the starch solution. Try it out. If you want to get rid of your acne, and if you want to stay lean, starch solution. Starch solution, starch solution. Okay, I shall make French toast. So, I got my Dave's Killer Bread. Love these guys. The ingredients, there are a lot of ingredients, but they're all easy to understand. I mean, you know what seeds are, whole flax seeds are. You know what cornmeal is, molasses. Easy to read. Love this. And I made my milk out of cashews. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, it's out of cashews. And I put turmeric and 3 dates and half a cup of cashews with water. And I'll show you how to make that later on. If I don't, I'll leave the recipe down below. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna just dip this into the batter and just slowly let it soak it in. Easy, right? Easy, easy. Now, you people are probably saying, this doesn't taste like French toast. It does. This is my 5th time that I've made this French toast recipe, and I'm very surprised at how creamy and like oily the French toast tastes after. And there's no oil. Obviously there's some fat from the cashews, but you mix it with so much water and it's only half a cup of cashews. So it's not like I'm eating the whole batter in one day, you know, drinking the whole batter in one day. So anyway, it tastes like French toast. It's very surprising, to be honest. Right. I shall do another one. All right, guys, you got your batter, my French toast. Gonna dip this guy. Ooh. So if you are trying to lose weight, you should probably just eat 2 French toasts, and then you can just put a little bit of syrup over it if you want, or you can opt out of the syrup. But I shall eat 3 because this girl has a fast metabolism. She has a fast metabolism. So this batter, you could just save it for the next day. I had this batter for about 2 days and you can make about 12 French toasts. Can you believe that? Okay. All right, guys, I am trying out my French toast. I am in a work meeting and my video's off, so I did not film my voiceover. Well, I didn't film myself speaking, so I'm doing a voiceover. All right, she's taking the first bite. Do you want some? Too bad. All right, do I like it? Okay, so I liked it. All right, guys, I am going to go to Trader Joe's and buy some groceries. And that's about it. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, so I just came back from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. Trader Joe's was a mess. I don't know why, but I went after New Year's Day. Well, the day after New Year's Day. And everyone, I guess, is thinking today's the day to be healthy. And I've never seen it that busy. And I was talking to the employee. She said that today's like the busiest time of the year. And it was very much so. I have a little bit of anxiety from that, but that's okay. The show must go on. I have brought all I'm blinking. I brought all my ingredients and I'm going to cook right now another starch solution recipe. It is a miso soup along with a bowl of greens and protein and veggies and a lot of healthy stuff. So very much Asian oriented for lunch. And then, yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna do it right now. All right, guys, put your wakame in a bowl, put some water over it, and let it sit there for 5 minutes. Let it soak in. I'm putting a bunch of water in my big pan and getting my white miso ready in a bowl. I think it's like a 1/3 cup that I put in a bowl. And then I'm gonna do that real quick. Sweet. All right, I'm going to put some hot water in there so I can just mash it up and make it into a paste. All right, guys, so it is soft, it's fluffy. Just make sure to take out all the water and squeeze it so that it's dry. Okay, going to add the miso paste into the bowl. 1/8 of a cup of soy sauce in there, and I already put my wakame, and that is it really. It's so easy, super easy. Oh, my tofu. I'm gonna add my tofu in there and mix it one last time. And now I shall do my Asian infused plate with rice and with the vegetables and tofu. I'm going to add some soy sauce because this is super quick and easy. I will add my ginger paste and I will mix it in there just to add some spice, add some kink, make it that is the gist. Are your 3 recipes starch solution approved. One of them, well, 2 of them were from the book. The other one is starch solution approved, but it is not in the book. I created it and it was yummy, but the dressing was from the book, so I'll put that in the description below. So I just wanted to say really quick for my people who have acne, I really want you to know that your acne can be reduced. I know it's super embarrassing. I've had it and I had the severe acne to the point, I'm very surprised I don't have like marks from it, but I had severe acne. I had zits all over my face. I had it on my chest and then I had it on my back since I was like 18 till like 26. And only when I was 27 is when I actually got a handle on it, despite all the antibiotics and all that topical treatments. But anyway, for those who have acne, you can reduce it. It is possible, and it's not only possible with antibiotics and Accutane and all these stuff that are not good for your body in the long run at all. And I do say that the solution for reducing your acne and having almost 95% of your acne gone is with your diet. I always say to people around me who always ask about being plant-based, you don't have to be 100% plant-based to be healthy. But if you are someone who, who has issues, like critical issues that has to deal with your hormones, I do suggest that if it's for acne, it could be your hormones, it could be your thyroid. It could be a hormonal imbalance in your body. Most likely it is, from if you are eating meat, if you are eating dairy, those have a lot of hormones, and that can really jack up the hormones in your own body, because you're not supposed to consume those types of hormones, especially when you're an adult. So with that being said, in addition to that, the oils. I took out, so I had acne even when I was vegan, quote unquote vegan. I was a junk food vegan. So I was eating out all the time. So you don't want to be that person. If you're going to be, can't speak. If you're going to be plant-based, I do suggest, if you're open to it, making your favorite plant-based meal every week that has no oil. And one that I do recommend is fettuccine alfredo, because it's so delicious and it tastes like fettuccine alfredo, and there's no dairy and no oil. And you can eat as much as you want, and you're not going to get the side effects of, acne. So that's what helped for me. For me was the oil, like I did go plant-based and I started to eat healthier and healthier, adding more vegetables, but I added fried vegetables. I added fried tofu. I added fried rice. And for some reason, because I was so used to eating oil, because I grew up on it and it was everywhere in restaurants, I figured out after, watching all these doctors talk on YouTube about oil and how it affects you, it made sense to me once I saw the effects of it, once I took it out of my diet. So I do suggest trying that. Like I said, create your favorite meal. You can choose one of the ones that I made, or you can just email me down below, just leave a comment down below if you need help with anything that pertains to acne. I have so much experience in that, and I went through the highs and lows of it, okay? Accutane was beautiful, right? For like 3 months after I got off it, right? My skin was so clear, and then the acne slowly started coming back, and I'm like, okay, well, what's the point of taking that? It damaged my insides, damaged my fertility area, my uterus. Anyway, that's another conversation. I think I'll make another video on that. But nonetheless, I do wanted to point out that it is so possible, you guys, to reduce your acne and get rid of all those zits, because F those zits, I hated them. Anyway, but yeah, I do suggest building up to it. Like I said, you don't have to be 100% plant-based. This is not me advocating for you to be 100% plant-based or don't even try at all. Like, that's just silly. I believe you can still be healthy as long as you add more vegetables and fruits to your plate, as well as grains. And so, yeah, so the Starch Solution diet in a nutshell, put 2/3 of vegetables on your plate, and the rest of it could be, the tempeh or the tofu and or the rice. But make sure it's 2/3 vegetables on your plate. And then with the soup, I do suggest eating the soup first and then eating the solid food after, so that your body is tricked into thinking you're full, because the soup just fills you halfway up already, right? Same thing with the vegetables. Eat your salad first. If you're trying to lose weight, start with the vegetables, start with the soup. And then eat anything after, and you won't eat much of what you eat after, which is a great thing, right? So, yep, and that is it, guys. So if you have any questions pertaining to acne or staying lean and want to know more want to know more about the Starch Solution diet, please leave your comment down below. Like and subscribe the video, guys, and I will see you maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday. Nonetheless, I'll see you guys this week, and have an amazing starch-filled day. All right, bye.